We're going to start by taking a look at our first grouping of exercises, the push-up and squat or squat jumps. Push-ups are the first exercise we're going to focus on. You'll start by placing your hands just under your shoulders, and from there widen them out until they are just outside of your shoulders, and this will be your starting hand position. Now looking down to your feet, push-ups can be done from the toes for a more traditional and challenging version like you're seeing here, or the knees if you need a modified or easier version. It's important to maintain a flat, neutral body position for the duration of the exercise in order to protect your back. If push-ups hurt your wrist, you can try a closed fist version or hold on to dumbbells to help put your wrists into a more neutral position. Moving on to the squats, there are two options depending on your fitness level. Let's start by looking at traditional squats. You'll start with your feet at a slightly wider than hip position with an optional slight rotation outwards of your feet. Keeping your weight distributed evenly between your feet, slowly lower towards the ground until the tops of your legs are even with the floor. You can modify your depth to change the difficulty level of your squats. Keep your weight centered over your midfoot as you lower towards the ground and push through your heels as you return to a standing position. It is also important to try to maintain a flat back and upright position for the duration of your squat to reduce strain on your lower back. The second option is squat jumps. These are a far more challenging version of the traditional squat, so wait until mastering those before moving on to this more difficult version. You'll start by lowering towards the ground before exploding upwards into a jump. As you land from your jump, make sure you land as softly as possible by lowering down into a squat position before exploding back into the next jump. By using your legs as shock absorbers instead of landing on straight legs, it helps to reduce the impact on the rest of your body and provide more work for your leg muscles. That concludes the exercises for your first group.